Guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Sunday, happy eviction day. Who do you think is going home with tonight? As for me, guys, I don't know anyone can go home. Let's engage to the comments. Just something about season 6, guys, compared to the other season, or season 6 is doing too much. Guys, people were so embarrassed when you tell someone that you're watching Big Brother. Like, you couldn't tell someone that when you're watching a Big Brother. It was known as a show for people who are not working. The next thing, a person will send you a link to apply a job. A person will tell you, can you please send me a CV so that I can apply for a job? Because people didn't understand, why will you spend the whole day watching people, sleeping, making breakfast, dating, kissing, it didn't make sense to anyone. But nowadays, guys, season 6 is for the first time I see Big Brother show trending all over social media, guys. Right now, if you go to Facebook, it's trending. You go to Twitter, it's trending. You go to TikTok, it's trending. Here on YouTube, it's trending. On Insta, everywhere, guys. This season is doing the most, guys. And people are saying, if it wasn't for Thandeka, because one thing about Thandeka, she's giving us drama. Saying Thandeka, she's the show, she is a bazu. So some are saying those returning housemates Liema, guys. This is the reason why this year the show is trending. So anyway, guys, before we get to Liema, let's start with Mele, guys. People are saying we all can agree that Mele needs to go home. He has embarrassed himself. It's enough. There was no need for her to even hold the paint here, guys. The next story, guys, don't say he missed Unelisa, guys. I was having a conversation with Ashe, and I saw Luyanda, guys. The one thing about Luyanda, he will confuse us, guys. He posted for Dawn to be saved tonight to win HOH, the head of house, guys. Luyanda is known for campaigning for Q, guys. The next thing, he was campaigning for Thandeka. The other day, it was Liema. Liema's fans were so angry to say, stop campaigning, Liema. It looks like you don't know what you want, guys. So shame Udon says he missed Unelisa, guys. People are saying because it's a good thing because tonight we are going home. I guess Sana, guys, we voted. We don't know what is going to happen tonight. So anyway, guys, let's get to King Wanda, who's always telling us that he's leaving. Today it was Liema who asked him. Liema, I went on to say, how do you feel actually? You feel like you are leaving? King Wanda went on to say, I'm tired of you guys. Now I want my friends, my family, my daughter. My solo is ready. Guys, King Wanda had been saying vele yena uyahamba. So people are so happy, excited, saying vele akahambe King Wanda. Some people right now are saying no, we still need King Wanda. He's giving us drama. The people that need to leave, Umeli and Didi. Honestly speaking, come on, guys, just take Didi to top 8 and then you can let her go, guys. But between Tracy and Didi, I feel like Didi, she's going, guys, not tonight, maybe on top 8. I'm not sure, guys. Today, but guys, you are the one who were voting. Now you are so stressed saying who's leaving, guys. You could have saved your favorite housemate. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday, happy eviction day. Good luck, guys. Bye.